How to check your Temu purchase history. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Temu app. You will land to the home page. At the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of View. Once you're on the View page, here you're going to see the option of your orders. Click on it. Now in this page, you're going to find all of your orders. Click on the option of Processing. Here you're going to find the items that are in the process to be shipped. Likewise, click on the option of Shipped. In this page, you're going to find all the items that you have already received through shipping method. Click on the option of Delivered. In this section, you're going to find all the items that you have already received. Click on the option of Returns. Here you're going to find the items that you have returned to Temu. You can head over to the section of Delivered. In this section, you will find your purchase history. If you're looking for a specific item, you can click on the option of Self-Service to find order. Now here you will find different options. Using any of these options, you can easily find your specific order. You can use phone number, email address, order ID, or payment information. You just have to click on it and go through the process. Well, this is how you can easily check your Temu purchase history. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.